So today I'll be showing you how to update apps on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the Huawei Health app on your phone, tap on devices, select your Watch Fit 4, and then go to AppGallery, tap on that. That should open the AppGallery and you can tap on Manager. Now under Manager, you'll see all the apps that have a pending update. For instance, my Petal Maps app requires an update, and all you have to do now is simply go ahead and update. So if you tap on update, it's going to download the update, transfer it to the watch, and then install. So currently it's transferring, as you can see. The watch will just be normal. You won't see anything happening on the watch, but you can see what's happening on the app. So as you can see, it's already finished transferring and now it's installing the update. And it's done. And now we have no apps requiring updates in the manager. So that is basically how to update apps on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.